Hello to everyone, especially to the students who took differential calculus this semester. Please join with me to study or to solve this kind of differentiation. The topic is exponential function by differentiation. So I have here y is equals to circle brackets 1 plus e raised to negative x squared times square root of 1 minus e raised to negative x. My task is to find dy dx. Okay? So, we know that there are two terms, so we will use product rule. Okay? We know that product rule, copy the first and then differentiate the second. Then, plus, copy the second, differentiate the first. Okay? So, this will be dy over dx is equals to, as what I said, I have to copy the first term. So, this will be circle brackets 1 plus e raised to negative x squared. And then I will differentiate square root. We know that square root, that will be 1/2. So, this will be square brackets. So, we know that square root is equivalent to 1/2. So, that will be 1 minus e raised to negative x. This is exponential form, right? Since we know already that square root is having a power of 1/2. So, this will be 1/2. And then, we know that in differential calculus, it should be minus 1, right? So, exponent minus 1. So, this will be circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative x 1/2 minus 1, right? And we know 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Okay? Then, derivative inside the circle brackets. Derivative of 1, that will be 0. Okay? Derivative, okay, minus, right? Minus. Okay, I will use brace because I already wrote square brackets. So this will be 0, then minus derivative of negative x, that will be negative 1, then times e raised to the negative x. Okay? Then this will be close bracket. Then plus, copy the second, square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x times the derivative of the first term. So this will be square brackets. So this will be my coefficient 2, and then circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x. Okay, 2 minus 1, right? Same with 1/2 minus 1. So this will be 1. This will be understood. There is 1, invisible 1. And then derivative inside the circle brackets, derivative of 1, that will be 0. Plus derivative of negative x, that will be negative 1. Then times e raised to the negative x. Okay? So, simplify. So, this will be circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x raised to the second power. Then, this will be over 2, right? This is 1/2. Understood? 1/2. And then, in algebra, if there is negative, so we'll just place this one circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative x raised to positive 1/2. Okay? Index laws in our algebra. And then, this one, 0 minus minus. So, this will be negative, negative. That will be positive, right? So, positive e raised to the negative x. Okay? Then, plus this one, square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Then, this will be, I will use square circle brackets 2. Okay, 2. And then, circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x. Then, 0 plus negative. So, this will be times minus e raised to the negative x. Because this is negative 1. Negative 1 times e to the negative x. That will be negative e raised to negative x. Okay? So, I will write this one in radical form. So, this will be 2. Then, square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Then, I will copy the numerator, circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x squared. Then, times e to the negative x. Then this one will be positive times negative. That will be negative. Okay? Then I will just write this one first. Negative 2e raised to the negative x times, okay, square root 1 minus e raised to the negative x times this one. Circle brackets 1 plus e to the, raised to the negative x. Okay? Then I will apply algebra. So LCD. Okay? So LCD will be 2 square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Okay, so LCD divide by this one. So I have now 1 plus e raised to the negative x squared times e raised to the negative x. Okay? Then minus this one divide. So meaning this will be 2e, meaning multiply, right? So e to the x square root of 1 minus e to the negative x times 1 plus e raised to the negative x times this one. So this will be multiplied by 2 square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Okay? Okay, I will erase this part because I have only small space for my solution. So this one same will be multiplied by this one, right? Okay, so I have now circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x squared, then e raised to the negative x, then minus, okay, 2 times 2 is 4, okay, minus 4e raised to the negative x, and then this one multiply, square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x times square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. So the same base, so just copy the one base or common base, 1 minus e raised to the x. Take note, this is equal to 1/2. So meaning 1/2. Then this one also 1/2. So 1/2 plus 1/2, that will be equal to 1 minus e raised to the x, 1. Okay? 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. Okay? Similar fraction, common is 2. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is 1 in here. Okay? So this will be circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative x. And then this one also. Circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x. Okay? Then the LCD is 2 times square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Then simplify. Allow me to erase this one. So this will be common. Okay, common will be circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x. Take note, there are 2. So times e to the negative x. Then I will use square brackets. Then this will be 1 circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x. Then this one will be left minus 4. This one is already outside, so this will be remain. So 4 times circle brackets 1 minus e to the negative x. Then close bracket, and then this will be over 2 times square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Equality must be in the middle of the bar line or the division line. Okay? So this will be circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative x times e raised to the negative x, and then simplify this one. So group or combine. So this will be circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative x. Then negative 4 times 1, that will be negative 4. Okay? Then negative 4 times negative e to the x, that will be positive 4 e to the negative x. Then this will be over 2 square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. Okay? Then combine. Allow me to erase this one. So, this will be equals circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative x times e to the negative x, circle brackets, 1 minus 4, that will be negative 3. Then e to the negative x plus 4, meaning there is 1 in here, right? The coefficient of e raised to the negative x is 1. 1 plus 4, that will be 5. So this will be plus 5e raised to the negative x. Then this will be over 2 times square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. And then I can write this one as circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative x times e raised to negative x. Then circle brackets, I can switch this one because addition is commutative. So meaning I can place this one the first and then negative 3 will be the second. So this will be 5 times e to the negative x. Then this will be minus 3. Then this will be over 2 times square root of 1 minus e raised to the negative x. So therefore, this will be my dy over dx. So let us check. So this will be 1 plus e raised to negative x times e raised to negative x times circle brackets 5e raised to negative x minus 3 all over by 2 times square root of 1 minus e raised to negative x. This is now my final answer. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comment or comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.